Hey guys, so here's the next step in our Swiss cheese project. I went and purchased a brand new roof skin. It's a lot easier. The owner, if you remember, had brought me 2 other roof skins, and he wanted me to weld them, cut them in half and weld them down the center, because one had a good front half, one had a good back half, and make one good one out of the 2. The time I would have spent doing that, for him, and you know, you still would have had a shitload of body work to do up there afterwards. It's going to be cheaper to get him a brand new roof skin. So some of you guys may ask, where do you get parts? CPP is a good place to get parts. They have good parts for sure. So what I've done, as you can see, we've got our roof skin. I've already fitted it. You didn't see it in this video, but I fitted it on beforehand, which is what you should do. I fitted it on here, made sure it fit good. I don't know if you can see in here. I've drilled holes in it because you're going to kind of spot weld it back in. But before you put this on, you have to remember that I can't get in there now to lift it off, but underneath the roof, not this section, the actual inner roof panel, you have to put like a Dynamat or something in there, because if you don't, it'll be real tinny, which you can see it's all solid. So there it is. So our Swiss cheese project is going to have, look at that, it's going to have a whole new roof now. It's going to be done here. We're going to get this spot welded in place, or plug welded, whatever you want to say. And away we go. And then afterwards you use your drip check in here. You can get seam sealer, or you can get a stuff called drip check. Drip check's a little better. It's more of a 2-part thing. Flows in, it just flows in nicer. But it's up to you what you want to do. But there we go. So we're going to start welding this on. That's about it. And then we'll go on to the rest of the old Swiss cheese project, which is all down below, but that's typical. So that is it. A little look here. And again, as we welded it up, posts, and then we did the weld up inside here. That's the inner piece. There we are. Okay, so there you go, guys. There's your update on this. We'll get this welded in. Once it's done, we'll come back with I don't know what part of video on we're now, probably part 5 after that. We'll show it all done, and then we will get on to the rest of this truck. Okay, there we go.